everybody and welcome back to our online maths lesson. Say hi, George.
Hello.
Okay, so today we're going to be playing a game called How Many Are Hidden. And we're going to have a go playing the first round of the game with George. Okay, George, so you're going to play with me today and maybe the children can watch so they get the hang of the game. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some bugs. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 3 counting bugs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now in a minute I'm going to ask George to shut his eyes, okay, George? And then we're going to take away some of the bugs. And then when I tell George to open his eyes again, he's got to guess how many bugs I hid. Okay, so how many bugs have we got to start off with, George? 3, good. Okay, so I need you to shut your eyes and no peeking, okay? No peeking. I'll be watching you. All right, okay. George, can you shut your eyes for me, please? Good, very good. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to start taking away the bugs. George, no peeking. George. Okay. Okay, George, open your eyes. How many bugs are there now?
2.
2. How many were there at the start?
3.
3, that's it. There were 3 to start with, and I hid some of the bugs. But how many did I hide? Can you work it out, George? Maybe the children can help out with this one. How many bugs did I hide, children? That's it. I hid 1 bug because 2 and 1 makes 3 altogether. So I had 3 altogether. I hid 1 and I was left with 2. All right, George, are you ready for the next round? Okay, this time we're going to get the children to play. Isn't that a good idea? Okay, so this time, children, you're going to be the ones to shut your eyes while George hides some of the bugs from you. And you have to work out how many bugs George has hidden. Okay, George, does that sound like fun? Okay, so this time, though, we're going to start off with a different number of bugs. We're going to start off with... How many bugs, George?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Starting off with 5. Can you all show me 5? Very good. So we're starting off with 5, and then in a minute you're going to shut your eyes, no peeking, and George is going to hide some bugs from you. Ready? Okay. Shut your eyes now. Okay, I'm going to hide them as well. Okay, off you go, George. Okay, everybody open your eyes. How many bugs have I got left?
1, 2, 3.
3, well done. I've got 3 bugs left. How many did we start off with, George?
5.
5. We started off with 5 and George has hidden some of the bugs. But how many did he hide? See if you can work it out at home. How many bugs did George hide when you had your eyes shut? Have a look up here at the 5 frame, which shows 5 counters, and you can see there are 3 there that are left. So how many did George hide? That's it. He hid 2 bugs, because if we started with 5 and he hid 2, he would be left with 3. Very good. So here they are. Here's the 2 hidden bugs. We started off with 5. We took away 2 and we were left with 3, weren't we, George? Very good. All right, let's have another go, shall we, children? This time I'm going to start off with a different number. I'm going to start off with 4 bugs. So I need to take 1 away. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm starting off with 4. So remember that, children. We're starting off with 4 this time, not 5. So if there are 4 bugs, you need to work out how many George is going to hide. Okay, so ready? I want you to shut your eyes now. Okay, George, I'm going to hide it so the children can't peek. Okay, off you go. Hide some of the bugs. Hurry up, George. Ready? Open your eyes, children. How many are left? 1. How many did I start with? 4. Okay, so if I started with 4 and George hid some, and we're now left with just 1, how many did he hide from you? Look at the 5 frame up here to help you. See if you can pause the video and work it out. All right, let's see then. How many did he hide? He hid 3 bugs. We started with 4 and we hid 1, 2, 3. So we were left with 1. So we hid 3. Let's put them back over here and we can see. So here we go. We had 4, he hid 3, and we were left with 1. So the answer was 3. Okay, we've got 1 more for you, and then you can have a go at playing this at home. This time we're just going to start with 2 bugs, okay? Just 2. So show me 2 fingers, everybody. Brilliant. So we're starting off with 2 bugs this time, George, okay? And you're going to hide some of the bugs, but we're not going to tell the children how many. They have to work out how many you're going to hide. Okay, so I want you to shut your eyes now. Okay, George, I'm going to hide them. You hide some of the bugs. Okay. How many bugs has George hidden? Everyone open your eyes. Okay, so we had 2. There's now only 1. So how many did George hide? We started with 2. There's now only 1. Look at the 10:5 frame up here and it will help you out. How many did George hide? That's it. He hid 1. He struggled a little bit hiding that one, didn't you, George? Yeah. You've not got very many fingers. No. All right then. Now, I'm going to put up another problem on the screen now so you can pause that, read it, and see if you can have a go at playing the hiding game at home, maybe with a brother or a sister or a grown-up, and see if they can work out how many are being hidden. Okay, well done for not peeking. I trust you did a very good job. And George had great fun trying to trick you, didn't you, George? Okay, so we will see you next time for some more Maths Online. See you soon. Bye-bye.